Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome to my first official YouTube video and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful to have you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope any of the background fuss which is going on is not bothering you or getting to you. I'll try my best to enhance the audio as much as possible and don't have a mic at the moment, but I'll try my best. I live in a Bengali family, so you can imagine there's always something or the other going on in my house. Now, today's video is actually a Numi haul. Now, personally, I feel that Numi is a great place to shop from if you are on a budget and if you are looking for trendy Pinteresty clothes. I wouldn't say Numi is very affordable, but yeah, they are quite good at the quality they offer us. And this video is not sponsored by Numi anyway. And I hope that you really enjoy the video. All of these pieces are under 1,000 by the way, and you can also use my discount code to get an additional 100 rupee off, and you can also check out the description box to sign up with that link provided to you, and you will get 500 rupees in your Numi wallet instantly, which you can use during your checkout at the Numi app or the Numi website. Again, telling this is not sponsored at all. I am a part of the Numi Campus Ambassador program, so I have a coupon code with them, and I would really like you all to use them and yeah, save some money. I am not going to make only videos related only to hauls or anything. I am going to explore many things. I really like fashion and my main niche is dance. So you're going to see many dance tutorials, trendy dance tutorials, and maybe some beauty videos too, and maybe some vlogs. But mostly it will be fashion and dance. And I hope that you will enjoy my channel as much as I enjoy talking to you all. And now, without making this intro any longer, let's just get right into the video. Now, coming to the first stop, this is a very basic and a very essential need of every girl. This is a basic black tank top. Now, this is not so basic because this is turtleneck and it also has a chain in front. The material is cotton blend, which is quite comfortable, and I will mention all my details, the size and everything on screen, and I will also put clips of my try on in this video. The quality is really good because I have worn it more than 5 times and the color hasn't faded at all, and the chain is also quite sturdy. Let me show you. Yeah. So the chain is also quite sturdy and I really like it for the price I paid. I think this was my first Numi purchase ever and I'm really happy with the purchase. As you can see in the try-on haul, this is not fully cropped, not fully long. This is just in the middle, but you can really wear this with high-waisted jeans if you want to wear it to college. So yeah, I really like this top and I would give this a thumbs up. Now coming to the second top, this is the top. I don't know if I can show it to you properly, but this is a very pretty tank top. Now this is not very cropped. You can make it crop if you sort of tuck it a little bit. But this is not very cropped. It's quite the mid-length and this is not so basic, you guys. As you can see in the try on, it has a beautiful like cutout detailing at the left side, which really looks good and makes my collarbone pop out a little bit more. This is also turtleneck and the material is polyester blend. This is not ripped. It looks ripped, but yeah, as you can see, this is polyester blend. This is also really good. I have worn this more than 3 times and the color hasn't faded and the material is still quite good and sturdy. So yeah, thumbs up for this top too. Coming to the third top, this is my most favorite top from this haul. This is a beautiful brown colored tank top. It has a square neckline and it just fits perfectly. This is the most beautiful tank top I own and this is so good. The material is polyester blend, but it isn't as polyester as I would say, and it isn't as ripped as well. This is more towards the ripped side than polyester, and the blue one was more towards the polyester side than ripped. This, as you can see, the try-on haul really fits me well, and this is my most worn top from this UV haul. I really like this neckline is the most favorite part. I mean, also this color is so good. You can wear it, of course, in summers, and you can also wear it in winters. And yeah, this is also a thumbs up from my side. And guys, I'm really saying that this is not a sponsored video at all. And yeah, I'm just liking this one very, 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 very much. Coming to the fourth top, this is the top. This is a tank top with a huge sort of a neckline, and this has white stripes at the shoulders and here, and it looks really good. But as you can see on the try on haul, it doesn't really fit me so well. I have actually gone for the smallest size. No, this is S. I think there is XS available on. Yeah, there is XS available, but that was out of stock at that moment, so I couldn't get XS. But it's still good. It's still good, but the fitting could have been much better. As you can see, it's sort of like layering here around my like stomach area, which is not looking very good, and the fitting is also not very good. The fabric is okay. I wouldn't say this is very perfect for summers. The fabric is actually, I don't know, I don't think I will be wearing it outside because this will make me sweat a lot. So yeah, you can give a pass for this top. Now the next top is this gorgeous denim vest. Yeah, I hope you can see it. This is very, very, very pretty. There is just one problem to this, that it's white. Yeah, I have worn this once to one of my friends' birthday parties, and my foundation just got stuck all over here around the neck. Yeah, my foundation was transferred all over this. But still, it's very, very, very pretty. It's denim material, and as you can see in the try-on haul, this looks really pretty. The buttons are very nice. They don't like open at all. They are really sturdy, and all of this pocket detailing is very pretty. This is non-stretchable, by the way. And this V neckline also looks quite good. Now the neckline is quite deep, so you can wear something like this, like a tank top I'm wearing inside, and if you are comfortable with it, you can of course wear it as it is. I was actually shocked that something like this was under 1,000 rupees, which is like really something I don't find nowadays. But yeah, I think Yumi is a great place to shop if you are looking for trendy clothes in affordable ranges. So yeah, I really like this one, and you can definitely go for it. That's it. That's all for my first ever talking YouTube video. Thank you all for tuning in, and I'm super grateful for you all, and I hope that you all loved whatever I got, and I'll be bringing more hauls videos soon. And yeah, you can comment down what hauls you want to see next, and I will be bringing them to you very soon. That's it. Have a great day ahead. Don't forget to use my coupon code or check my description link to get 500 rupees into your wallet instantly. That's it. Have a great day ahead. Bye. See you in my next video.